Now you might be wondering why I'm straightening out this wire hanger. I'm actually making a dusting wand using an old cotton sock. There you go, that's the wand. It's just a simple solution for dusting, particularly in hard to reach spots. So once you get the sock on, this is a cotton sock, spray it, apply a little dusting spray. You want to do both sides, because we're going to use both sides of this wand. There you go, that should be enough. And now you can use it for dusting pretty much any surface. You can do mantles, shelves, of course, any kind of shelving. It's really great for reaching up high along the ceiling where crown molding is. Dust tends to collect in the corners in particularly. And another really great use is ceiling fan blades. The top of these blades always collect a lot of dust, and sometimes you can't see it from down below, but if you wipe it with this wand, look at that, it sticks right to it. And once this is really dirty, you can just peel it off, toss it in the laundry, go get another sock, and keep on dusting.